Today we will cook Korean style fried chicken wings sa aking version. So, ito yung ating mga kailangan. Chicken wings, mga 2 kilo. Lemon, 1 piece of lemon. And salt seasoning para sa aking seasoning dito sa chicken. Okay? Now we will first, I need to put lemon first. Yeah. Next, I'll put the salt seasoning. Okay? Mga 1 teaspoon siguro. Maybe 1 teaspoon. And then we're gonna put a little bit magic syrup. This is the Filipino all-in-one seasoning. If you want to make it tasty, your chicken. Don't put it all. Just maybe 1/4 of this package. Okay. Okay, ngayon, ilalagay na natin sa flour. This is flour, 2 cups of flour. We will put the chicken on the flour. There you go. See? Make sure the oil is very hot. So that see, you can hear. For the second one. Okay. So ngayon, we finish the second batch. We will double deep fry. You know why? So that your chicken become more crispy. Even 2 days, your chicken is still crunchy when we cook with the even with the sauce. Now it's getting brown. This is soy sauce. This is oyster sauce. This is mustard and sweet brown sugar and vinegar, and lastly this is dry pepper. It's your choice. if whether you want it or not, because my daughter like it spicy. That's why I need to put a lot. So now we will start cooking. Okay, first I just need to put a little bit olive oil, just tiny, maybe 1 teaspoon. Oyster sauce. This is the soy sauce. I put the mustards. And the vinegar. I use rice vinegar. And I'll cut in pieces the dry pepper. I will put half cup of water. So now it's done. So see, look good. And thank you for watching.